This video is designed to explain how we create reports for the Deliver Plus build system for an individual project. We'll be creating the reports through the Trello build system, and you can watch this video to see how you generate those reports. The idea is that we identify problems, we find out what's troubling the site staff, we create systems and procedures from those comments, we review the tasks or the prompts within the system, modify them to suit better productivity, better systems, better processes. Continually improving is the key. So we'll move on to how we generate them through the Trello system, particularly looking at the activity and who's identifying and creating new tools to improve current processes, because that's the ultimate aim. Improving productivity and therefore being better, full stop. So first step is to locate the task that you're currently working on. In this example, we've started down here, but you will find that throughout you'll be using ones above, depending on what the project's at. Once you click on one, you identify all the tasks that have been completed, and you will see some have, some haven't, some components haven't been started. And you can click through and you can see all the activity at the bottom, particularly the comments. Those comments are what we're looking for about fixing. Once you find that, then you click on this button here, which is Share and More. And this is done on a Mac, so we'll look at a PC at a later date, but you click on Dropbox files, RCBG files, and you will have shared with you as production manager this particular file, build system reports. You click on the relevant project's name, and then once you've selected the folder, you click Save. You save it into the particular folder. Before you exit, you just want to double check that you've got the right job and the right folder. It's very important that we don't get them mixed up. Once you've done that, you need to file it and move it to a folder for each month. We will add a new folder and we'll rename it March. Each report will be in a folder generated per month for easy access and clean filing. So now you've exited Trello and you are going into your Dropbox folder. There's the folder inside the report that you've generated inside the relevant project, and here's the PDF version of the report. Obviously this is on a Mac, so you would need to do the same structure or process for a PC. Once you've generated that report, you can review it. You have a document there that can be printed, used in any way that you need to. But we need to file them, so we need to keep a good record of where they're kept. So you can see on these other ones, certain components completed on that stage. If we click on one of these, we can see through some tasks aren't done, some are. And this is what we want to find. We want to find what's not getting done, what needs to be generated. It's important that we look for comments and notes. Again, we can go to the print section or Share and More, and this is on Mac, but you want to make sure if you're printing it that you've got all the activity identified. The activities must be shown as visible. You need to check when you open up a stage. If you scroll right down, you'll be able to see as you get through each component down the bottom here where the activity is. It shows you all the activity depending on how much work's been done in that particular component. It can be quite a detailed list. This is the accountability portion, and in the report it must show it. So when we go through all of the ticked, you want to see all of these items visible, and to do that this button must be showing activity. See how it's hidden? Now it's showing. To print it, you must be able to see it. It's very important that we have that within the report. The reports also show us the percentage of the task completed. It's important for us to know what percentage of the task completed, and that's a really helpful tool in programming, moving forward, contract administration, all sorts of components throughout the build system. Again, showing that the activity's on and it's being able to be printed or saved with the activity portion shown. It's very important that we make sure that that's part of the component. And just lastly, we've got the activity on the right hand side of the card. As you can see where it says menu, it shows you who's shared with the card, all the activity that's gone on recently. This is a good tool for production, just to monitor what's being done, but the individual cards are what's important. So that's the report system, the Deliver Plus build system report. We will be using this tool to find problems. That is the key to it. It's about identifying problems and solving them. The production team must be looking for issues, how they can increase productivity with daily directions, more structured and organised, clearer instructions, better systems, better processes. We'll be looking for team activities or site activities that they can work on current stages to build construction manuals, processes, systems, procedures to improve productivity. It's crucial that we use this tool weekly to identify issues and problems. And this system will evolve and change. So I expect constant review, suggestion, full stop. We need to be looking to improve it every day.